What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It is Dad and Axel from Dad Simply Cooking. We're going to make our classic OG grilled cheese, and we're also going to make a pizza grilled cheese. So let's go. So today my bread of choice is this Italian herb natural oat bread, because my wife said that sounds good with grilled cheese. I have multiple different variations of cheese. I got pepper jack. I got cheddar. I got provolone. I got Kobe. I got some more Kobe. I got some more cheddar. And I even got some mozzarella, but I gotta chop it up because it's still in block form. But that's beside the point. So let's get started. So with our parchment paper, you can just crumble it up and put it on the pan. And it works just like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some of my bacon, butcher cut thick bacon.
What?
And I mean, this is like, I got 4 pieces left, and that's some thick bacon right there. I got my knife. I'm just going to cut that bacon in half. So put your oven, or put your oven in your bacon. Yeah. Now put your bacon in your oven until it gets crispy and brown. So this will work the same way as your griddle or your grill or your pan, the same exact way. In cooks, we're going to go ahead and get started. This bread smells rather good.
Okay.
Need mayonnaise, butter. Mayonnaise to me just works so much better for that bottom end, or really for both sides. I'm just going to glob this side out, and you'll see why in a second. Provolone, cheddar jack.
I'm gonna do cheddar.
Put it up there. Yep. Just like that. And now we also got the pepper jack. Do a little bit of pepper. My pan feels nice and warm. So now, this is where your hand can get a little dirty depending on how good you are with the flip. So our flip is just going to simply be fast and smooth.
Fast and smooth.
Next grilled cheese is up, and that's the pepperoni. Okay? Axel is going to go ahead and start pepperoniing this bread. My mayo, and I'm going to glob the top side of the bread that's in the burner right now, so that when we do a flip, it's nice and brown. Golden brown, good cook on it. Perfect. You're going to get some of your Classico tomato sauce, or whatever kind of favorite pizza sauce is yours. Get it. And what we're going to simply do is we're going to lay that on top of the pepperonis.
They can't not get on fire.
And then I got a block of mozzarella cheese here. All right. And then I'm going to take my cheese. Set it up there.
What are you going to do with the part?
Put it up there too. And now, you think we should add some more pepperonis?
Yep.
Let's do it.
Okay.
While Axel ventures out and puts more pepperonis up there, we're going to go ahead and take this, and we're going to go ahead and look at it and probably flip it. Nice golden brown. Perfect of what we're looking for.
I'm trying to get the bacon nice and smooth right here.
All right. So now we got that up there. And then we're just going to kind of push down a little bit. Get it good and ready. We're going to grab some of our mayo. Pop our mayo up on top. I'm going to add a little bit of Italian seasoning. And then we're going to take our pizza one and flip it and get it cooking. Axel had a great idea. So he brought the water bottle. And what we can do is we can put our lid here, create a little bit of steam by splashing that water on in there, melting down that cheese. So Axel was a superstar by bringing that. Okay, so we're going to go with our bacon. It's hot. We got our bacon up here. We're going to put that mozzarella down. Some cheddar. Some Kobe Jack. Provolone.
Boom, boom, boom.
We're going to make a grilled cheese. Make a grilled cheese.
Make a grilled cheese.
We want to taste the rainbow on these grilled cheeses. Now, we got one piece of bacon left, so why not put it on top? And then we just flip. I push down a little bit, get a little bit of pressure. Flip, get a little bit of pressure. I'll spray down just right there.
Okay.
Yep, just like that. I have here the traditional OG grilled cheese.
Yep.
And now you can see the cheese has just been oozing and goozing. And in the middle, we got that full layer of cheese.
I will check.
Jam packed. There you are.
Good pepper jack.
Scale 1 to 10, 10 being the best.
Yeah, 10.
That is good. Cheesy. Let's check out this pizza sub. I think me and Axel are both excited about this one.
Whoa. I don't want to try it, but I don't want to call it.
What do you think of that? Look at that cheese.
Look at the milk and cheese.
That tastes like pizza. Doesn't it?
Yeah. This kind of
That's like a loaded grilled cheese pizza. It's absolutely delicious. That cheese is just dripping out. That bacon. Look at that. Oh. This is our bacon grilled cheese.
Yep.
It's hot. Let's let it cool for a sec. You got bacon on top of cheese on top of bacon.
I really wanted the pizza one. What one is your favorite?
3 different types of grilled cheeses from the OG, the pizza or the pizza grilled cheese, and that bacon grilled cheese. Y'all, these are amazing. Make ones for somebody to love on the cold days with some soup or some ramen or something. I don't know what people eat grilled cheese with. Some native soup. That's what you want to. We don't judge around here. And share the love, y'all, on that. We'll see ya. Make sure you like. Tell them what to do, Axel.
Great, subscribe, comment down below. If you want to have you at your house, comment down below and have a pickle comment.
Yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you like pickles, say you like pickles below. And on that, we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.